In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows in Microsoft Lists. Whether you're organizing data for work or managing a personal project, knowing how to efficiently move rows can make your task much easier and your list more useful. Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Lists. Once you're on the Microsoft Lists webpage, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Click that button and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to use Microsoft Lists. Once you're all signed in and ready, go ahead and open the specific list you are working on. It's important to ensure that your list is grouped by a column, because this way, the option to move rows becomes available. Grouping helps in organizing your data and provides you with that handy capability of moving rows, which is particularly useful when you're dealing with complex data sets. Now let's get to the specifics of moving those rows around. Begin by hovering your cursor over the first cell of the row that you wish to move. If you're trying to rearrange your data logically or alphabetically, this step is crucial. As you hover over the cell, you'll notice a three-dot menu, also known as the ellipsis icon, pops up. This is your gateway to various options for managing your list items. Click on that three-dot option. It's a small but powerful button that provides several actions you can take. After you've clicked on it, a menu with different options will display on your screen. Scroll down to the very bottom of this list of options. Here, you'll find the Move Up or Move Down selection. You can choose Move Up if you want to shift your row upwards or Move Down if you're looking to slide it downwards. It's that simple. Remember, the availability of the Move Up or Move Down option might depend on how you've structured your list and the permissions set on it. If the option doesn't appear, double-check to ensure your list is indeed grouped by a column. And there you have it. Moving rows in Microsoft Lists can be done swiftly with just a few clicks. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily rearrange your data, make your lists more organized, and ensure everything is exactly where you want it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Microsoft Lists. Happy organizing!